YouTube. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to change the call caption language on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This will work for the S26 Ultra, S26, and the S26 Plus as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to change the language on call captions on your S26 device, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. The first thing you want to do is jump into your setting in your phone app. So you want to open up your phone app, and then from there what you want to do is hit the three dots button at the top right of the screen. From there what you want to do is hit settings, and then you want to scroll down and you want to look for call captions. Once it's turned on, you can change the language at the bottom there of the captions on your caption calls. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to change the language on call captions on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.